Hello everyone, this is Jason from jasoncollinphotography.com coming to you today from not the JCP home studio, not my backyard, but Ah-Shi-Sle-Pah wilderness area south of Bloomfield, New Mexico. This is a very unique toadstool rock formation area. There's several of these around New Mexico. They usually form in arroyos like this one. If you look to the left, you can see the toadstools. Rock formations that form out of wind and rain that kind of look like mushroom caps or toadstools. And we're standing in the middle of an arroyo where all the water rushes down and comes through these, forming little caves we found and other different pockets of things. And down there, more toadstools. We've been very careful to stay in the arroyo and not climb up and mess around with the toadstools because they are quite fragile. It's some kind of sandstone. To touch it would be very brittle and easy to knock over. So we've been staying here in the arroyo, taking out these toadstools, which are a pretty amazing alien kind of Alice in Wonderland type landscape. This is kind of the things we see when we're out on our photo shoots doing rural land real estate. We have opportunities like this one to stop and check out unique places like this. This was about 18 miles down dirt road. So you need a good vehicle to get down here and find this, and some good supplies to make it out here, because there's about a 1 mile hike to get to this spot too from where we had to park. So in the middle of a New Mexico late spring day, you got to be prepared to come out here, but it is a stunning, beautiful New Mexico true type landscape. If you haven't been to anything like this before, I highly recommend it. Check out below, you'll see a map to how to get here and some instructions along with some other photos. And this is a place you should definitely come check out if you're ever on your way to San Juan County, New Mexico, in the northern part of the state. All right, we're gonna climb back out of here and head off to the next spot. We'll see you next time. Thanks as always for checking out jasoncollinphotography.com.